the record, just for the record. If they like the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dammie. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle content right here on YouTube, and today we have a lifestyle content. So just haul, okay? I was gonna do a shop with me, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. So I have a little haul from Dollarama. Well, maybe not little, but yeah. I figure sometimes you guys would like a break from the fashion content to get some home, like just home items, whatever it is I buy. So I wanted to just share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it, okay? Ain't no OOTD because this is not a fashion haul, honey, okay? But anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Why am I blurry, honey? Wow, what's going on? Anyway, but yeah, the very first item that I have for you is this giant laptop table that I saw. It is so big, child. Like, it is so big, and it has this fold up legs. So if you were like on your bed and you wanted to like work on your laptop and eat, you could use this table and just fold the legs up or whatever. Like, I thought this was so cute. It has a place to stick your tablet in, a place to keep your drink in, well, a skinny one. Keep in mind it's not super deep, okay? So yeah, and it's just a laptop table, and it was $5. You can see the picture. You can have your coffee while using your laptop, and I just thought I'd like that. I wanted one just like this, except I wanted it to have like a little compartment on the side that I can store like memory cards in, and I saw those on Amazon, but then this was $5, so I just like got this, okay? Now I have a little one who's obsessed with cars, so I got this for him. So anytime I want him to do something, we'll make a deal with a new car. So I got this 6 for $2.75. I thought that was a great deal. And then I also got, oh god, I'm gonna save the best item for last. I already see the best item. It's so good. So stay tuned, okay? But anyway, I saw this chocolatey cheap whatchamacallit, cereal bars, and I have 2 boys, okay, that go to school, so we always need school snacks around here. And this is like 5 granola bars each, so I got 2. Don't remember how much this was, but yeah, I got 2. Oh my god, this is so good, so good, so good. I'm gonna save it. I don't want to show y'all yet. I'll have to wait. But yeah, this one was a 24 pack coffee whitener. Yeah, I've had this brand before, and it was really good. I have the one that you keep in the fridge. That's the one I use as well. So this one that you don't need to refrigerate, I thought it was great. So 24. Yeah, it's good to have on hand. Winter is, you know, it's upon us. And sponge tip applicators, $1.50 from Lori, 20 pieces. Apparently this is like, you know, to apply your eyeshadow. I use a brush, but there's some points that you just really want to pack on the color that I think a brush would thin it out, and only this would do. So yeah, that's what I got this for. All right, let's keep it going. Okay, I think I'll keep this on the side till I get all of them together, because they're all from the same line. And then I got this shelf bracket thingies, because I'm hoping to find someone to help me install like a shelving, like a little shelf in the laundry room to hold some of my extra fabric softeners and thingies. You know, the thingies that belong in the laundry room? Yeah. So maybe Karen will help me with that. Karen and Maggie, when they come. I don't know. But yeah, I got this for that. This come with two shelf brackets in one, no nails or nothing. So I think you just install it on the wall and then just have like a wood thingy. I think, I wouldn't know, but I got 2 so I could have 2 shelves. But yeah, so let's keep it going. And I got this for my feet, because you know, $1.25 pumice stone. It's so bright it wouldn't just like, yeah, okay, there. Yeah, I thought that was good. And then I got this gel. It's a moisturizing avocado and shea butter twist and lock gel, which I just put my natural hair in a bun, and I was using it to do that, and I love that it doesn't look like a regular gel. I don't particularly want to open it because I already have one I'm opening, but I just want to show y'all the way it looks. It's like a cream. Yeah, it looks more like a hair cream, like a thick shea butter cream, which is great because it feels like it'll just be healthier for your hair than drying gels. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then what else did I get? I got this thing that's like a mirror, and it says, wait, what does it say? It said over there was a candle holder. Yeah, a candle holder, a mirrored candle holder. Doesn't say that on it, just, yeah, obviously there's like a film on it that I need to tear, but I thought that was cute, you know. Could never get too much of that. And then this coffee drink thingy, because sometimes I live on coffee. My Reason chocolate, I love chocolate, okay. I'm just a girl, I love chocolate. Cough drops care, menthol and eucalyptus. This is how many? 30. I thought this was a good deal. I think it was $2 or $3 or something. I mean, winter, you have cold cough, so some lozenges is always a good idea. And then I bought 2 of these. I already ate one. The roasted chestnuts. I love that. I actually love that. And I picked up a 15-pack of more pens for $1.50 because we always need pens. We're always writing, and I have 2 kids in school. Okay, so. And then a bunch of seasonings. Let me show y'all. So, garlic powder, onion powder, more garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, so I just 2 of each. 2 of each. I don't know what to tell you why I did that, but yeah. I have 2 of this already, and the ones I have doesn't have this shine. This one is like an iridescent candle holder. It is a tea light candle holder. So I just like the iridescent design to this, so I picked it up. I thought it was cute. Okay. And bubble tea. Now I don't know what possessed me to get bubble tea, but I just thought it was cute. Sweet Shop bubble tea kits. 2 kits, so you can make 2 bubble teas. And the tapioca pearls are included, the straws are included. The milk tea powder is included with tapioca pearls. Everything for $2.25 for, you know, 2 teas. I thought that was cute or whatever, so I decided to get it. And then fastener, self-adhesive fastener. So I don't know why I picked this up, to be honest, for $1.25. I guess like if you need to repair something like your shoes, or I never repair my shoes, but like I don't know, I just thought it was cute to have. And then there was this USB intelligent voice light. Voice command activated, turn on, change color, or set 1-hour timer. So apparently it's like a little USB, but it's a light. You plug it into any USB thingy, and you can like activate the light by telling it to turn on. And all the instructions are here. You can tell it turn on, turn off, light on, light off, go to bed. You can choose red color, white color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple, yellow, and oh wow. If this works, this is great. And I think it was like $3 or $4. I don't remember, but yeah. So, and then I got this, which I thought was so good. I'm not sure if this is like a Dollar Tree brand, but yeah, it's like a body wash. So I think I got this one. I love goat milk soap, by the way. And this is Nature with fresh Canadian goat milk with real shea butter silky body wash. And this is, yeah, there was the unscented one, I think, and then there was this one that was the one with the shea butter, with real shea butter. I think it was $3 or $4 as well, but I love goat milk soap, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna try this body wash. Okay. Then I also got this, which is the same brand, but foaming milk bath. So yeah, I guess body wash or bubble bath, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, similar to it. This one has original recipe with Epsom salt. So I think this would be good for soaking in a tub. I have a nice deep tub in the master bathroom. I haven't used it. I don't have time, but I figure when I do, having this foamy milk bath with fresh goat milk, fresh Canadian goat milk, would be good. And Epsom salt, it just makes me feel like it would be relaxing or something. And then I got 2 of this goat milk lotion. Yeah, body lotion. So this one is the original recipe, and this one is the with real shea butter. So the real shea butter soap, the foaming bath, and 2 lotions. One with real shea butter, one was original. Yeah, I think they were like $4 each. But don't quote me, okay? Forgive me, my nose. I'm already feeling like I'm about to catch a cold, you know. But anyway, I've been really preparing for that and batch filming a bunch of videos so that I'll have something to drop for you guys. And how cute is this thing? This thing is too cute. I cannot. It was $3 a piece. Thank God this one has a price on. And it's just like a little planter, but it's fake and it looks like someone lying down. And then the plant is on top of their back. This is so cute. Like, it really is cute, okay? I really like that. And then there was this one that looks like a guy sitting down with his legs crossed. Like, so cute. The light is so bright that I really hope y'all can see me well. But yeah, this one's like something lying down, and this is like with the legs crossed. It's so cute. I think I got 3 of the white. If I can find the other one. Maybe as we go, I'll find it. Oh yeah, and this is the 3rd one. This one has the knees held in, like, yeah, that is cute. And they were all $3 a piece. And then I got the exact same one in black, like this one in black. So cute. I cannot. So cute. I really like these things. Did I need, wait, 1, 2, 3 of the white ones and 1 of the black one. Did I need 4? Probably not. But did I buy it? Yeah. And, oh, I thought this was a good deal. A 6-pack of mini Schweppes. Okay? I feel like, yeah, it helps you with portion control because it's already small. And then you can't, like, take too much because it's small. Yeah. Okay, something was wrapped. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so glad it did not break. So this is like a piece of decor, like a vase, whatever you want to call it. It's so small. And it was just $3. Like, it's round, it's cute. I like it. I decided to buy it along with all the white little planter thingies. Do I need any more decor? Probably not, but it's a girl thing. It's a girl thing. Like, back me up if you're a girl, okay? Back me up. Don't throw me to the wolves now. But yeah, I also saw this vitamin C and ferulic acid brightening serum. Do I need another serum? Probably not, because if I showed you all my skincare collection, you'd be like, Dammie, you're insane. Positively. It's crazy. Like, I do buy a lot of serums that I've not even used. So I did not know what the ferulic acid was, and I wanted to find out. It just sounded like something that would be good. And yeah, I think it was just $4. Oh, 3. See? So it's like, it can't hurt, you know. On those days that I don't feel like trying anything, just use it. And yeah. And then the last, well, no, I saved the last for the bottom. Then this items right here. So this one is vitamin C eye cream with niacinamide, okay? Glowing vitamin C eye cream with niacinamide, AHAs, and vitamin E. Okay? Yeah, I think this was, yeah, $4.50. Okay? So, yeah, but it's like, I was going to be like, well, that's expensive, but only because it's at the Dollar Tree. The ones I buy at HomeSense, Winners, they're like more money. Or if you went to like Shoppers Drug Mart and you want to pick up eye cream, you're spending $20, $30. So, $5. you know, it's not a lot. And then I bought the matching cream. Do I need another one? No, but did I buy it? Yep. Global Beauty Care Glowing Vitamin C Cream, skin cream with niacinamide, AHAs, and vitamin E. And then this one I wasn't too sure about because like, better come at $1. Maybe not such a good idea, especially, you know, but okay. It was $5. So I'm hoping that it's not a Dollarama brand. I'm hoping it was just there. Okay. Yeah. And the one that shocked me, that knocked my socks off, the very best item in this haul that I saved for last. Are y'all ready to see it? Y'all ready? Let me turn it around. Drum roll, please. I want the dramatics. This insanity. Like, I picked this up, this exact type of knobs. I picked this up at HomeSense for like what, $10? No, $14.99. $14.99, either $15 or $20. I don't think 10. I'm not sure, but definitely not $5. Like, I'm 100% sure it's not $5. And I saw them for $5, a 6-pack. They're blinged out, they're pretty, and I did not need them, but there was no way in hell I was going to let this escape. Absolutely not. The price was too good. And then I also saw this. That was like a big 4-pack. Like, I buy this at HomeSense for a lot more money. So to see 4 for $5, that was a steal. Like, I feel like it feels almost stolen. Like, really, $5? It was too good. Now, how durable it is, I don't know. But the name of the brand says Duramax, so I'm hoping. Don't disappoint me now. But, you know, it's kind of scary because it was $5. You know, even the ones that I pay a lot more money for, they do fall apart. Sometimes there's one that I have on my mirrored cabinet that fell off. Like, the glass part fell off the rest of the knob. And that was not cheap. So, I feel like sometimes it's just luck. It's not really how expensive it is. You know. But let me know. Do you agree or disagree in the comment section? Let me know. Anywho, that's all I have for this big Dollarama haul. I hope you enjoyed watching. Whatever your opinion is, though, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, before you leave, like, comment, and subscribe. Please like the video. I say this all the time because it really helps YouTube to push out the video for more people to support the channel, which means a lot. So please do give the video a thumbs up and share the video with more people. Yeah, and also leave your comments. I love talking to you. I love getting the conversation going. So please let me know how you feel about this type of content. This is not my permanent content now. Let's slow down now, but at least once in a while I figure you guys might like to see something different. But yeah, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast with the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class, I'm a poet, then only see the road, and me go on with the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with critics, I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring, like hello, brother.